We're now here with Kristin Janes, a local realtor who's invited us all back to her house. And this is one of my favorite times, Kristin, and thank you so much for opening your house, because this is where all the good stuff happens, the collaboration, the real authentic connections. And I feel like over my career, those are the things that have benefited me the most. But I'm interested to hear what you have to say. Like, you were there all day. Thank you for your participation. Like, some of those nuggets that you shared, I know were some of their takeaways. But what were your takeaways today? Like, what were the things that you took out of the experience?
Yeah, it was such a good day. And first of all, welcome. Glad you guys are here. Glad the whole group is here. I know it is a really powerful experience to be able to huddle together, talk about, the day and what we learned. But I think for me, on a macro level, I was again reminded of the power of community and collaboration. And I think so much of us in the industry try to do it alone. And we try to be these lone rangers and solo agents, and nothing against solo agents, but we operate so much better in community. And so just being able to rub shoulders with each other, get practical ideas, was really powerful. And then I think for me personally, on a micro level, two particular standouts. One, how to optimize my Google business profile. I have one.
I'd never done that either. That was like so cool.
I got
It's like, wait, what?
basic elements there, some of the core properties, but there's way more that I could do with it. So I felt like I walked away with some really practical strategies for how to do that. And then the session on video. I know as a consumer how much I consume video content. So to put myself in the other shoes and know that as a realtor, I really need to be putting content on
So good.
So,
well, you can do it. We're doing it right now. We're looking at video.
Awesome.
But I'm excited for you. And thank you so much for opening your house to us.
Yeah.